So here you see me. I started off inflating the balloons. I started with the 12-inch, and basically I blew them up as big as they could go without popping them. And then some of them are mixed in. Some of them are about 9 inches as well, inflated to about 12. It doesn't matter because it's a garland, so you can really just do whatever size in the 12-inch. Just make sure they're as big as they can go. And keep in mind, like when you're inflating these balloons, to make sure you let a little bit of the air out of them, because you want your balloons to be round and not oval shaped. Makes it look cleaner, and it gives it a better look. So I ended up using my balloon stands for the balloon wall. I have about 5 of them collectively. I handmade these stands. I watched a video on YouTube, and that's how I ended up making them. I'll also drop the link in the description. So as you can see, my stands are about 5 feet, but I wanted my balloon wall to cover a majority of my wall. I feel like my wall is short. Honestly, it's about, 8 to 10 feet. So what I did was, once I got to the top of the stand, I tied the necks of the balloons together, as you can see with the silver, to make it a little bit taller. So once you have all your columns together, um, what you do is you can take some fishing wire or you can take some balloon string and you just secure it like to the end of the balloon wall, and then you just take the string and string it through all of the columns so then they can connect and not move, and it gives it like a tighter look as well. So yeah, that's what I did. So if you wanted to do like a standard balloon wall, this would be your look, and you could just stop there. So then these balloons I ended up blowing up. Those are your 9 inches that are inflated to probably about 6 to 7 inches. And then I just basically started plugging them in. Depending on the day of how I feel, sometimes I'll take the necks of the balloons and tie them together. But as you can see here, between time I was using 260 Qs on my 5-inch balloons and plugging those in, and then some of the times I would switch back to inserting the necks of the balloons together, because it depends on the balloon. Like sometimes they're stretchy enough where you don't need a 260, but if need be, using 260s are a little bit easier than just tying the necks together. So then I started to plug in like the 18 to 24 inch balloons. At the time I only have 18 inch due to the balloon shortage. So what I did was I just blew them up singles, and then basically I ended up tying the necks together of the balloons. And then I also ended up adding confetti balloons as well. Those were 12 inches too. And they were inflated as big as they could go as well. And then I kind of like let some of the air out of them to round it off. And here's the finished product. Thank you for watching my video. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. Hit the notification bell. Please drop in the comments how I did on this video, and also if there's any more tutorials you guys would like me to do, I can do it for you. Also, please follow my Instagram and my TikTok and my Facebook page as well if you guys have one. I'll drop the links in the comments, and also there will be the names at the end of this video. Thank you again. Bye bye.